Happy 4th of July fun. Whoa, that is crazy. That is cool. Here, sorry, we'll sit down. Yay, it says love. Oh, come here. Love you. Ah! Here, let's see the love. Oh, there it is. Look. Ah! Will you come sit with me? Oh, boy. Here comes the fireworks show. Come on over here and enjoy Mommy. It says Philly.
Put some toys.
I love you. Can you sit with me?
You're going to close your eyes.
So look at that. It's the city of Philadelphia skyline. Come see this. In the Liberty Bell. Whoa.
The bell.
The bell's ringing. Ring the bell. Look at this. This is amazing. I don't think I forgot they did this. It is sharp and it's sharp. Not a toy. Come here. Go stand over there with the bell. Go stand right there. Say, I'm a bell. Can you be like a bell and do ding dong, ding dong? Oh boy. Huh? Whoa, that's so fun. Come on back, sweetheart. No, right.
Caroline.
Get back here, love bug. I don't know. Oh, nice. All right, come on over. What? Oh, is that the theme?
It's like 20 years of that.
Oh, that's fantastic. Look at the Fanatic, Caroline. Sit down and watch the Fanatic and all the cool stuff. Come here, love bug.
Yeah, but we're probably showing on the video board, like the actual highlights, like 400.
Probably. It's pretty cool. Oh my gosh. Will you grab her for me? Sweetheart.
Caroline.
Time to sit. Whoa! Look at that. That is crazy. Ow! My broken foot.
I'm sorry.
Thank you. Daddy plopped you on my foot. Sit down. Ow. Look at that.
What else?
That's crazy how they do that. It looks like he's straddling the sign though.
Yeah. I wonder what. Oh, look at that one. Look at that one.
I see.
No, look at that one. Dada!
The World Series.
Huh?
I just know.
Whoa, look at that one. Look at that one. Look at that firework.
Look, he's taking his hat off. That's amazing. Is that Harry Callis?
No.
Not that, but I mean like the audio, like tipping their hat to Harry. I bet they'll have a Harry. It's really cool.
Look at that.
Can you believe it? If you told me 20 years ago I'd be looking up at the sky and seeing something like this in it, I would never believe you.
Press hard for doing
Another cookie.
I don't know where they are. Just sit in between my legs. Woo! Come here, let's snuggle. Let's snuggle with mommy. I love that you get all the references. To me, I'm like, and another baseball player, and another baseball player, and another baseball player. Oh, honey. I love you. I missed you last night. Yay. What's the other one say? Was it last? Woo! Oh, wait. These shorts are too big on you. I'm sorry. Come here. Woo! Yay! Say go Phillies! Come sit in front of me, please. Wow, that's really cool. Look at it rotating. That's awesome. Wow, that is cool. Make more history. Yeah. Here comes the fire. 5, 4, 3, 2. Say it with me. 1, 0. Blast off! Woo! If you want your headphones, we have them. Just ask, okay? If it's not too loud and you're fine, then okay.
Too loud.
Too loud in your headphones? Okay, you got it, kiddo. Wee. I know, grab one for me. Oh. Here you go. time I look away for 2 seconds or hand you my phone for 2 seconds while I'm videotaping something, you ruin it. Happy fireworks. Some grapes? What? Are these headphones comfy or not comfy? Are the headphones comfy or not comfy?
What you could do.
Carolyn, your headphones comfy or not comfy? Huh? I don't think so. Why don't you try them off?
Oh, they are comfy.
Oh, I thought you said they weren't. You want them on?
Yeah.
Okay.
They're wild.
I know you don't like it loud. I don't like it loud for your ears either. You have little girl ears. God, protect your little sweet ears. Oh, that got purple. I see some purple for you. Works. I love Caroline. I love our faces in the light of fireworks. Purple, red, yellow. Blue, 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 blue. I love the Phillies. I love the fireworks. That's the end. I'm gonna scream. No way. Say happy fireworks. Where she got this, but sharp. It goes boom, 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 boom. Woohoo! Look at the sky. That was so fun. Was it terrific? It's all done now. Oh, all done. I love you. You're the best.
I look like a bunny.
You look like an American bunny. Hippity hop. Happy 4th of July.